Hi guys, my name is Manisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating a smoky eye look. It is basically a makeup look for ethnic attire. So this is the look which I'm talking about. Let's start this video without wasting any time. So to prep my face, I am using this Laneige toner. This is cream based toner, so it is really good for combination to dry skin. So do give it a try.
Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
Next I'm using this moisturizer. It is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. It is really hydrating, at the same time it is not oily, so it is really good for combination to oily skin type. Next I'm using this primer. It is from Makeover Professional. It is a gel based primer, so it is really good. Anybody can use it. It doesn't have any color. Basically I'm applying it on my nose and around my nose area where I have some visible pores. Next I'm using this Fit Me concealer. It is in shade 10 light. I am going to use a concealer only for this makeup. I am not going to use any foundation because I want my skin to have some scope to breathe. So yeah, it has medium to light coverage, and because I do not have many discoloration or marks on my face, so I am okay with this. So basically you want to cover all the dark spots and scars on your face and also the under eye to highlight. To blend it, I am using this sponge. This is a damp sponge. You can use any beauty blender. Make sure to damp it before you use it. And I am dabbing the product into my skin. I am not scratching it away, as I explained in my previous video also. So if you want to get the flawless look, make sure to damp your blender and make sure to dab your product into your skin.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me.
I am taking some more concealer and applying it on my eyelids. Basically it makes the application of eyeshadow smoother and it also helps to retain it for the longer time.
Ooh. I can't go 'cause I'm feeling so cold. Ooh.
To apply eyeshadow, I'm using this fluffy brush and I'm using Huda palette and taking this burgundy shade from top left.
But you'll be there.
This is going to be my transition color, so I'm going to apply it all over my crease. So yeah, with a very light hand you want to apply it very gently, and you do not want to take a lot of product at once. Just take little amount at once and then you can always build the intensity as per your choice. So yeah, take a little amount and then build gradually the intensity of the color.
I can't go 'cause I'm feeling so cold.
Next I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and taking the gray color from bottom right. So to apply this I'm using a smaller brush and basically I'm applying it on outer corner of my eyes to give that smoky look. I am taking little amount at once and then taking more product to build the intensity.
got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby.
Next, I'm taking this mini palette from Maybelline, and it is in Topaz Gold shade. Taking a bronze shimmery shade and applying it with my finger. Basically, you want to apply it directly on the center of your lid, and you want to blend it with your finger. I am taking this fluffy brush again and taking the burgundy shade from Huda palette. Just taking little amount and applying it on my crease just to blend out all the harsh lines and the shadow.
What's on the other side of inhibition? No apologies, my baby.
Next, I'm taking this angular smaller brush and taking this color from Huda palette, and now I am going to apply it on my lower lash. So I am just applying it on outer corner of my eyes, not taking it all the way to my inner corner, because otherwise it will not look good. So to create that smoky look, we just want to apply it on the outer corner, doing same with the other eye. Next, I'm using this brush with which we applied grey color. I'm not taking any more product. I'm just applying and smudging the product on my lower lash. Next, I'm using this makeup fixer from Faces Canada and using this soap. So yeah, so what you want to do is you want to spray this makeup fixer on this pear soap, and taking any brush from any old mascara, and you want to apply it on your eyebrows. I actually have really long brow hair, and which tends to fall downward. So to prevent that, I am using this makeup fixer and this pear soap. It helps to retain the shape of your brows. So you just want to apply it thoroughly on your brows and let it sit there for some time. Meanwhile, let's apply liner. So I'm using Lakme eyeliner in shade black. So I'm going to do winged eyeliner today. If you do not know how to do winged eyeliner, check out my video, guys, and I will give the link in my description box. Next, I'm using this brow pencil. It is from Maybelline again. It is in shade dark brown. I am just filling the gaps on my brows, not overlining it, because I want to make it look as natural as possible. So just filling the gaps very lightly. Now I'm using the same mascara brush which we used earlier. So I'm using it to give some shape and to fix the brow hair. You just want to run it thoroughly. Next, I'm using this Vega eyelash curler. You can use any curler of your choice. Please be very careful while using this because if you're taking the skin part, you can hurt yourself really bad. So please be very careful while using this tool. It is very easy to use it once you become familiar with it, but yeah, it needs some practice. For mascara, I am using Maybelline mascara. It is Hyper Curl Easy Wash.
Every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side.
Next, I'm using this pencil. It is from Glam 21. It is in shade E04 Silky Silver. It is not that pigmented, but yeah, if you have any white pencil, do apply it on your waterline. It will make your eyes look brighter and bigger. I am using this NARS lipstick. It is in shade Dolce Vita. This is very neutral shade and I really like to use it a lot. On top of it, I am using this Nykaa mini lipstick. It is in shade 05 Madras Kapi. I thought to use this nude lipstick because it is going really well with my eyeshadow. So yeah, I really wanted to apply nude lipstick for this look. Next, I'm using this Fit Me powder to set my makeup. This is in shade 220 Natural Beige. I am basically applying it on my T-zone and areas around my nose where I have very oily skin. Now I'm using this Lakme 95 blush. It is in shade Pure Rouge. I am applying it with the help of this fluffy brush on apple of my cheeks and taking it upward. This is very nice light pink shade.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same.
Next, I'm using this highlighter. It is from Maybelline again. It is Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Rose Gold. I am applying it on my high cheekbones with the help of my finger.
My imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
I am applying this highlighter on the bridge of my nose also to give some sharpness. Also, I am going to apply it on my beauty bone to highlight it. So this is almost finished look. If you want, you can keep this look as it is and carry this look with your western attires.
But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me.
To complete this look, I am wearing a bindi. I am wearing bindi in black color. You can wear bindi in any color of your choice. And with this, I am going to wear this beautiful jhumki. It is in silver color. This is very lightweight and very affordable. Also, I am going to wear this neck piece. This is gorgeous neck piece. Again, very lightweight. I bought these jewelries from Sarojini Nagar market. They are so affordable, you guys, and their quality is also very good. Fairly good as per their price, worth every penny. So if you are thinking to buy such jewelry, I would recommend go for it. You will find such jewelries in your local market and as well as online.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, please like and share my video. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you next time. Bye bye.